This is exactly how I like my brownies. It's just so chocolatey and dense and rich, and it just melts in your mouth. It's just so good. To a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar. To that, I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. I'm going to mix that really well. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs to that and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk that until it's smooth and glossy, and that will take about 5 minutes. Okay, next I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder and whisk that in. For this next part, you're going to sift in half cup of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to switch over to my spatula to mix this in, and because I want to make sure to scrape down the bowl and get everything mixed in, but don't over mix it. You just want to mix it until it's combined. Okay, the last thing I'm adding to that is half a cup of chopped walnuts. This is optional. It's up to you if you want nuts in there and what kind of nuts you want in there. And you just want to fold in your nuts. Now I'm going to add this to my greased baking dish, and I just greased it with some cooking spray. Evenly spread the batter out in the pan. Make sure to scrape off your spatula. You don't want to leave anything behind. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. Test it with a toothpick to make sure it comes out clean, but if you see a few moist crumbs on there, that's okay, it's finished. Let it cool down before you cut it. This is exactly how I like my brownies. It's just so chocolatey and dense and rich, and it just melts in your mouth. It's just so good. So I really hope you give this one a try, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.